Hey loves, how are you all doing? Welcome back to another video. Oh my gosh, guys, how are you all doing? We said this year we'll be checking on each other. Like, how are you, my love? On my end, I'm great. So today's video is about fridge. Fridge. It's an what can I say? It's something you need to clean now and then because it stores food and you want to eat your food, smelling nice, as you can see, my fridge is very dirty. And because I want to restock some groceries and other drinks, I want to clean it up with you. Hope you enjoy this video. My love, let me tell you something. This fridge was dirty. It even had some odor that I didn't like. So here I have a sponge and I have this towel. So in this water, I have put some dishwashing soap and vinegar, to make it smell good. Let's get to the cleaning part. So my loves, I'll start by, removing all the stuff that is in the fridge. You can see right there, I have milk. I'm putting it in the freezer because I don't want it to go bad. When you're dealing with something that is connected to electricity, I would advise you to switch it off. But on my case, please don't come at me. I didn't switch it off because I knew that milk would go bad if I switched it off. So I just turned it to the lowest, the lowest it can work. That's how I did. To just, that milk. I had like 7 liters of milk, not even 7, 8. So I didn't want it to go bad. So as you can see, I'm taking out those things so that I can start by, taking out all those compartments and dividers, as you can see there, so that we can get to the cleaning part.
You pull me through, I give it up to you, I do it all for you. Maybe this feeling's overdue. You're uninvited, you wanna hold me close, but I know what you have to. Yeah. Why are you hiding? Tell me, what must I do? Come to you. You're mine. It's right. It's right now. You pull me through, I give it up to you, I do it all for you. Maybe this feeling's overdue. You're uninvited, you wanna hold me close, but I know what you have to. Yeah. Why are you hiding? Tell me, what must I do? Come to you. You're mine. It's right. It's right now. Why are you hiding? Tell me, what must I do? Come to you. beside the lions. I've been feeling down, but I've been looking up, afraid to fall. God, I've been so down, can you pick me up? Don't let me fall. Can you show me how to fix this mess? I am down and on my knees and I may fall as I'm so close to the edge. Can you show me how to fix this mess? I am down and on my knees and I may fall as I'm so close to the edge.
Now we are done with the fridge part. So now let's get to the freezer.
It don't matter where we go, it don't matter where we stay tonight. 'Cause when I'm with you, yeah, I know everything will be alright. It don't matter what we say, it don't matter how we make things right. 'Cause
So guys, it's time to take all these compartments and dividers back to the fridge. And sorry, I didn't show you the part where I go and clean them, but you just use the dishwashing soap and the sponge or the scrubber that you use to wash your dishes with, and you just wash it, and then just wipe it, the water, and put it back. That's all I did. And right there you can see I'm putting back the food that were in the freezer, and then we go to the fridge and do the same.
Everything will be alright. It don't matter if we fall down into the darkest place we know. 'Cause when I'm with you, yeah, I know everything will be alright. When I'm with you, when I'm with you, everything will be alright. With you. Try to let go of all of the nonsense that you put me through. I give it up to you. I do it all for you. Maybe this feeling's overdue. You're uninvited. You wanna hold me close, but I know what you have to.
So guys, this is how down there looks. I usually put, my vegetables that way. Down there, it's where I put the spinach in here, as you can see. And then from there, I go with my tomatoes and green pepper. And in here in the cellar, I store the brown. And then on the door part, this where we store our sodas down there. In here is vinegar and dania. I usually put another pack of dania here, because when I use this way of storing them in the fridge, they stay up to even 2 months. And then up here, it's where we store our yogurts. Right now I don't have any yogurts. And then here it's for the eggs, but right now I'm putting the eggs outside. I don't know, right now I just want my eggs to be out of the fridge. So yeah, so that's how it looks. It would have looked much better if we had the sodas and the yogurts, but anyway, we only went for the market to buy groceries in the market, but once we go to the supermarket it will be just full. So that's how it looks down there. So let's go to the freezer part. For my meat, this is how I usually store my meat. So this is chicken. I usually put it in these cans and then just come and place it here like that. And then for beef, so this is lamb, and this is normal beef, cow meat. I just come and put it like that. And when I have fish, right now I didn't buy fish because of some reasons, but I usually put the fish here in this last, let me show you. I usually put the fish here, but right now I don't have the fish. And then this is my piece. I usually just come and place them there. But since I don't have the fish, I'll just place it here so that it will be easier to get the ice cubes. So yeah, that's how it looks right now. And then on this other side, this is my greens. I had what I did is I blended them, my greens for mukimo, and then this I have put here in yogurt cans. This is cream from milk. When I boil my milk, I usually store the cream here so that I can use it on my when I'm cooking my vegetables. So this is cooking cream. I usually store them here and up here. It's just that this is the only one remaining. So yeah, that's how it looks. That's how my freezer looks right now. When we restock many things, it would look better, but I still believe it looks good. So that's the freezer. Let me show you in here again. This is how it looks. My loves, hubby was too kind to do the shopping for me. So yeah, that's the final look. Down there, I put sodas. There is the juice. And then as you come up is yogurt and more juice. So yeah, this how it looks. I promise you the fridge was smelling so nice and it was clean. Like I just felt so good.